Hey, lab enthusiasts! Welcome to GD Waldner, where laboratory safety meets cutting-edge technology. Today, we're delving into the essential role of fume hoods in the lab in ensuring a secure working environment. A fume hood is not just a fixture. It is a meticulously engineered system designed to protect researchers from exposure to hazardous substances. By creating negative pressure, the fume hood effectively captures and contains harmful fumes, vapors, and particulates, and exhausts them in the atmosphere after first cleaning them through scrubbers and blowers installed on the terrace of the building. Fume hoods are indispensable for safeguarding personnel health and maintaining experimental integrity, providing a controlled environment in the lab free from contamination. At GD Waldner, we understand the critical role of fume hoods in laboratory safety. Contact us for innovative ventilation solutions tailored to your needs. Stay safe and explore with confidence. GD Waldner, where safety meets innovation.